Tucked away in the western foothills of Las Vegas is the sought-after golf community of Red Rock Country Club. Welcome to 11471 Timber Mountain Avenue. Hello, I'm Gary Anter, broker of Presenting Vegas. It is my pleasure to present to you a home that tilts the balance of indoor-outdoor living in favor of poolside leisure. The newly renovated kitchen overlooks the inviting family media room. Opposite the guest wing is the expansive master bedroom, whose spa-like bathroom features a jetted tub and steam shower. Bordered by fruit trees, the master patio connects with the lush rear grounds. Surrounded entirely by one-story homes, the southern exposed covered patio promises private year-round enjoyment. Guest quarters open onto the peaceful interior courtyard. Functioning otherwise as a one-story villa, an upstairs casita boasts a kitchenette and views of the city. The wet bar is mere steps away for convenient al fresco entertaining. Thank you for taking time with me, Gary Anter, as we've explored a home of tranquility and warmth, a place your family will adore, here in Red Rock Country Club. Contact us today to walk this enticing new offering in person.